Hello, my name is Melonie Boone, and I am a third-year PhD student at the Chicago School for Professional Psychology, studying organizational leadership. The purpose of this presentation is to invite your organization to participate in my dissertation study, Finding Your Leadership Heroes. This study will take a quantitative approach to help organizations understand how leaders impact team outcomes and behaviors. In this presentation, you will find more information about what it takes to be a participant, the data analysis that will be conducted, and also the specialized reporting that will be delivered to your organization to help you better understand your leader's impact. If you are interested in participating in the study, you will find some contact information at the end of the presentation, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you. The purpose of this dissertation study is to investigate how a leader impacts their team's outcomes and behaviors. Fred Luthans, a pioneer of psychological capital, says that effective leadership creates the conditions for success. This study will explore how your leaders impact their teams every day. Ideal participants for this study include organizations looking for new ways to engage and develop their leaders and teams. Participation is voluntary and open to any industry. We also welcome national and global organizations. The minimum requirement for leaders to participate is that they have 5 or more direct reports. Have you ever wondered why some of your teams excel while others struggle? Would your organization benefit from a better understanding of how your leaders impact team outcomes and behaviors? Previous research has found that leaders can impact individual outcomes and behaviors. This study, through quantitative analysis, will investigate how the leader impacts the team. Participating companies will have an opportunity to gain a deeper insight into how leaders impact their teams, and will also receive a specialized report with action steps for enhancing the team experience. So how will this study work? Well, it'll only take 15 to 20 minutes of time. That's all we'll need. Our process is easy. We'll begin gathering data from participating organizations from January to March of 2020. That data will be analyzed using statistical analysis between April and June of 2020, and the researcher will present their findings to each participating organization during the month of July. Data will be collected using a self-rater survey through an online survey tool. Participants will be asked to complete a short online survey which will measure 3 areas: psychological capital, which is an individual's level of hope, efficacy, resilience, and optimism, will be measured using the PCQ-12 tool. Organizational citizenship behaviors will be measured using the Organizational Citizenship Behavior 5-dimension scale. These are behaviors that are discretionary, not directly or explicitly recognized by any formal reward system. Finally, participants will complete the Technical and Social Performance Scale, which measures job performance or those behaviors functionally related to organizational goals. All data will be aggregated to assess the team level of these 3 components. The following are some key considerations that should be kept in mind as you decide to participate in the study. This study is being conducted by an independent researcher through the Chicago School of Professional Psychology and is guided by the support of a dissertation chair. Participating companies will only need to provide email addresses of leader participants and their direct reports. All participants will be asked to complete a consent form, as participation is completely voluntary. Participants will also be assigned a unique ID number to help maintain confidentiality, and the researcher has taken steps to ensure data security. The final report that will be delivered to participating companies will include an analysis of aggregated data from participating organizations and recommended steps. Thank you for taking the time to review this presentation. If you are interested in participating or have questions about participation, please contact Melonie Boone, independent researcher, at the contact information to the right.